Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to put a long dash in Word for macOS. Open the Word document you need. We will open the keyboard view so you can see what key combinations we will use in this tutorial. If you press -line key on your keyboard, you will get a small dash line symbol. If you need a middle-length dash symbol, press Alt and the dash symbol key. If you want to type a long dash, press Alt+Shift+dash symbol key. Easy. You can also go to the Insert tab. Click on Advanced Symbol at the top right corner. Select the dash you need from the table and click on Insert. You can also set the font to MSGothic to find the dash you need. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!